Hey everyone! Today I'll do a quick walkthrough on how to install and uninstall Homebrew on Mac OS or Linux. What is Homebrew? Homebrew is a package manager for the command line interface, otherwise known as terminal or shell, that lets you install programs easily. Getting comfortable with installing and uninstalling programs with the command line interface is essential for IT work, computer programming, or if you want to be a hacker. So let's get started. First, open up your terminal. We do this by going to the top right corner of your screen to the magnifying glass. Click on that, type in terminal, press enter, and now you have your terminal prompt. Perhaps you already have brew installed. To check to see if you have brew installed, type in brew. It says command not found, so we don't have brew installed. Now we go ahead and copy the command provided on the website, and I'll also leave it in the description below. Paste it in, press return, enter your password, and it'll take a little while depending on your internet connection. Alright, it looks like installation was successful. Let's type in brew to double check. Looks like brew is installed. If you want to uninstall it for any reason, I will provide this command in the description below as well. Just go ahead, copy, paste it in, and brew, press yes to uninstall it, enter your password, and brew is uninstalled. We could check this once again by typing in brew. Let me know if you found this video helpful by leaving a comment below, and also if you have any questions. Please subscribe for more tutorial tech videos.